Have you ever heard of swing dancing? It's a lively and energetic dance style that started in the 1920s and 30s. Let's explore what makes it so special. Swing dancing originated in African American communities in Harlem, New York. It grew out of jazz music and became hugely popular during the Great Depression. This dance style helped lift spirits during tough times. There are several swing styles, like Lindy Hop, East Coast Swing, and Charleston. Each has unique moves but shares a joyful, rhythmic energy. According to the Dance Heritage Coalition, Lindy Hop is considered the original swing dance. Swing dancing influenced many other dance forms and remains popular worldwide. It's featured in movies like Swing Kids and Hell's Zappin', showcasing its cultural impact. Today, swing dance communities thrive globally, keeping the tradition alive. So swing dancing is more than just a dance. It's a rich cultural expression filled with history and joy. Curious to learn more about this vibrant art form?